I understand and echo your frustration. But as someone who lives in Portland and who's been active in the protesting scene here, this is new. We're an incredibly active protesting town. And we've awesome Bolts Are Buzzin Shirt level. It's reminiscent of Chicago's Black Site, which is not a good thing. That's why our entire congressional delegation has joined the chorus of local politicians calling for answers and demanding they fuck off. Please convince your fellow tattooed, gun-toting bearded rednecks from the South to feel the same way. Opposing. Awesome Bolts Are Buzzin Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. It should be nonpartisan, but sadly about 60% of the country is either rabidly devoted to a singular party or two. You're a better person than many others out there. Keep up the good fight. Stats repeatedly show that Republicans are the ones entirely flipping their positions. Awesome Bolts Are Buzzin Shirt with it. But Democrats are consistent in their stances to within 1% of polling regardless of which party said it. And actually have other product